Lock Nation. If you're new here, welcome. I'm the OCDist chick. If you're new to gardening, you may be wondering, can you really grow a successful urban fall garden without spending hours every day? I'm pulling back the curtain to show my real life, quick daily gardening task. Forget about the perfect manicured shots. I'm showing you what a realistic fall garden routine looks like. I'm looking at the overall health and quality of the plant. The plants that are supposed to be green are actually green. Those that are supposed to be red or purple are red or purple. And if not, usually there's maybe a watering issue, overwatering, underwatering. Maybe they're missing some nutrients. One thing I can definitely tell you is that your plants will tell you what they need. If they're droopy, it's probably lack of water. There's discoloration, lack of nutrients. So the main thing is to just pay close attention to your plants. If you know what they're supposed to look like when they're healthy, that way when they're not looking like they do when they're healthy, you'll know something is wrong. In my urban fall garden, what I do every day or very regularly is to check my plants for pests. And during the summertime, it's so hard because there's so many pests and there's only one of me. But during the fall, the pest pressure definitely slows down. But then by winter, hardly any pest pressure at all. Which is why I do enjoy fall and winter gardening as far as the pests are concerned. Now something bit into this, and so what I usually do is I will look around to see if I can find any pest lingering on the underside of my leaves, in between the stems there. These bugs know how to camouflage and hide themselves very well. Also look on the back of the leaves for eggs. And so these are the things to look for when you're out in your garden tending to your plants. So basically when you notice bites on your plants, that just lets you know that you've got some good stuff growing. That's the way I see it. The sage is looking really well. Thanksgiving Day is coming up, and so I definitely will be using sage from my garden as I'm cooking my Thanksgiving Day dinner. Got some tender lettuce greens here, young and tender. I like them on the young and tender side. My number one method for dealing with pests is hand picking. If I notice bites like this, I look for pests, examine the plant, look down at the soil, look to see if I see anything in the soil. So sometimes it just takes digging a little bit and you may find them at the top surface of the soil. Sometimes they'll show themselves at night.
Young and tender. She don't play with the plants. Got dirt in her nails. From seed to the skillet, every meal tells tales. Hydro glowing while the weather stay wild. She the garden queen, hood raised earth child. Fresh greens popping and the peppers on deck. Tomatoes so ripe make the sun say check. Wind down vibes, she pouring it smooth. Talk truth, drop gems, got that grown woman groove. Young and tender, she don't fake that. Grow it from the root, then she plate that. OCD chick better state that. E-lock rolling deep, can't break that. Young and tender, bringing that flame. From the dirt to the dish, she changing the game. Hydro locked in, ain't nothing the same. E-lock nation, remember the name. Yo, yeah, tech, she don't follow, she lead. She planted, she grow, and she live what she speak.
These 3 products are from the same company, and they're combined to create a complete foliar feeding solution. Spray and Grow provides essential micronutrients, while Bill's Perfect Fertilizer is a complete plant food. Cocoa Wet is a wetting agent that improves nutrient absorption by the plant's leaves. When mixed and sprayed, this perfect blend is designed to help plants produce more, larger, and tastier flowers, fruits, and vegetables. Why bury kitchen scraps? It enriches your soil with nutrients, helps to improve its structure, and reduces waste going to landfills. First, gather your kitchen scraps. Next, dig a hole 8 to 12 inches deep. I'm having a bit of a hard time digging this hole. The soil is super dry and hard. Also, I'm finding a lot of tree branches. So burying kitchen scraps here in this location will definitely improve the soil structure. Now that all of the holes have been dug out, I'll add the kitchen scraps. I usually add fruit and vegetable scraps, paper towels, as well as the brown empty paper towel and toilet tissue rolls. Yes, paper towel tubes. Worms will eat it and break down the cardboard, making it a good source of food. Also, the paper provides essential brown carbon material that helps balance the nitrogen from the food scraps. Also, the cardboard holds moisture, which is beneficial for the worm's environment. And the tubes and other cardboard help create air pockets, providing the necessary oxygen for worms to breathe. The last step is to backfill the holes. You would never know that kitchen scraps are buried here. And I don't have a problem with animals digging up my scraps. Now that the scraps are buried, they'll undergo decomposition, which is a natural process where the microorganisms break them down into valuable nutrients that enrich the soil. I purchased these cute little yellow flags from Amazon. They're going to help me to remember where I buried my kitchen scraps. So I know I dug there. I dug here. One, two, three, four. Morning or evening time is best. Underside of the leaves as well. All tasks that make a difference in an urban small space. With just a little time, dedication, and commitment, I believe anyone can create and maintain their own productive garden this fall. For more urban fall gardening, gardening ideas, and tips, be on the lookout for videos every Wednesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, as well as some short videos here and there. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.